You were crucified and laid behind a stone. You lived and died, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all creation.